Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create an Amazon wishlist on Amazon app or how to create the Amazon wishlist on your mobile phone. First, open Amazon app. Once in the app, I want you to tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the page. After doing that, you're going to tap right where you see your list, that is in the top right hand corner right below Buy Again. Then you're going to tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. Then right where you see list name, you're going to simply tap right there, and you could delete shopping. So let's delete shopping real quick. Then we're going to simply type in wish. Then you're going to tap on create list. After your list has been created, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now is start adding items to your wish list. And to do that, all you'll need to do is, for example, go into Amazon. So let's say I would like to add this Crocs to my wish list, or you can add something else. So you can add anything random. So let's say, for example, I like to add this watch. I could simply tap on the watch. After you have selected the watch, all you'll need to do is simply tap right where you see the heart. You're going to tap on that, and you can see item added to wish list. Again, let's select a random item. So let's say, for example, I were to select this shoe right here. After I've tapped on the shoe, all you would need to do now is tap right where you see the heart. You're going to tap on that, and it is now added to your wish list. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And by the way, to share your wish list, all you'll need to do is go back on your profile. So you're going to tap on your profile real quick. Once you have tapped on your profile, you're going to see wish list. You're going to tap on that. Then to share it, all you'll need to do now is tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you will see the option invite to list. You can tap on that. After you have tapped on that, you can choose view only. So you'll tap on view only. Then you can copy the link and you'll be able to share it on whichever social media platform you want. Or if you'd like to share it via email or text message, you can do that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.